Hello guys, today I will replace my headlight bulb in my 2008 Chevy Avalanche, and I will show you how will I do it. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay guys, so I need to replace my headlight bulb in passenger side, and to be able to do that I need to remove this box, this air filter box. Okay, let's start it. So these are the tools that we need to use to replace the bulb. Flat screwdriver to loosen this clamp, as you can see. Screwdriver with this kind of bits, the star one. As you can see, the screw is like this. Replacement for the bulb. This one I just bought it from Canadian Tire for only $11.99. And hand gloves. So we need hand gloves because if we change the bulb, we don't want to touch it using our bare hands. Because if you do touch it using your bare hands, the oil in your hand might cause a hot spot in the bulb, and the bulb may burn out prematurely, and we don't want that, because if the bulb get burnt out, you need to change it again. Okay, so let's start. That's done. So the 4 screw has been removed. This one already loose, so I just need to pull it. Sometimes this one is so hard to pull. Sometimes you can pry it. So it will be easy to remove it. And you need also to remove this connection. You just need to press this. So hard to do when you're using one hand only. There you go. So just put this on the side. This one. Just put on. Here's my 2 hand. There you go. Now I pulled it. So I can take this cover off. Okay. Just put this on the side. Now Remove the air filter. Oh, so make sure your air filter still good. This one looks dirty and I might change it soon. I'll just put it here for now. So now we need to remove this box also. Oh, this one has a 2 push pin. You can just pull it. Now we just need to remove this box and we just need to pull it. This one has only has a push pin, so just pull it. Okay. See? Oops. So that's the push pin that I'm talking about, and that's the hole. I will just put this on the side also. So as you can see, the bulbs are there. So we have access now to remove those bulb if we want to. But for now, we just need to remove this one for low beam. Okay. I will just grab my flat screwdriver and push it here. There we go. Now it came up. Sorry for my video. It's hard to work when you're using only one hand. Then just rotate it. There we go. Finally. So let's see what's wrong with this. So as you can see, it got burned out. So I will just put the new one. So as you can see, they are the same. So this is the one that what we need. So let's put it on. Remember I told you, use gloves when touching the bulb. Now, winner. Then turn it, and that looks good. And now put it back to connection. Now it's good. Now we can put back the box and the air filter. So everything has been returned. So I return all the screw, and I tightened the clamp, put back the plug, and let's see if I fix my problem. So, okay. These are good. And now both are working. Okay guys, so that's how you change your bulb in your Chevy Avalanche 2008. Okay guys, so just reminder again, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just a guy who wants to do everything that I can just to learn something new, save some money, and help other guys to do it on their own. If I can do it, you guys can do it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button to get notified on my next video. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.